things in my hearings, if you know what I mean.
Right.
Absolutely.
I had a hearing like
Okay.
that with Judge Stokes, actually.
Yes, I know. That's really what I was referring to because she told me about it. Okay, this is Anita Fox, Director of the Michigan Department of Insurance and Financial Services versus Midwestern Dental Plans, Inc., docket number 20-452CR. This is the time set for hearing on the petition for an order that would convert rehabilitation to liquidation and for a judicial declaration of insolvency of Midwestern Dental Plans, Inc. And could I have your appearance, Mr. Kerr, please, for the record?
Sure. Christopher Kerr, Assistant Attorney General. I'm the attorney for the currently the rehabilitator of Midwestern Dental Plans, Inc., who is also the director of the Department of Insurance and Financial Services.
Okay, and you can go ahead if you.
Sure. And the title of the motion petition sets forth what we're here today for, Your Honor. On October 15th of last year, the court entered an order placing Midwestern Dental Plans into rehabilitation, appointed the director of DIFS as the rehabilitator of Midwestern Dental as required by law. And the court also approved the compensation of James Gerber and Thomas Mitchell as special deputy rehabilitators. Rehabilitation was required for at least 3 reasons at that time under MCL 500-8112. One, Midwestern Dental's condition was such that its further transaction of business would have been hazardous financially to its policyholders, creditors, and the public. 2, the company had transferred or attempted to transfer in a manner contrary to law substantially its entire business without the director's prior consent. And 3, Midwestern Dental was found after examination to be in a condition so that it could not presently meet the requirements for incorporation and authorization. And basically what happened, Your Honor, and you've read it in the rehabilitation petition and now the liquidation petition, is that these criteria were met because Midwestern Dental informed DIFS that its sole provider of dental services was insolvent and closed its doors on May the 30th of 2020. In turn, Midwestern Dental notified its members that it would no longer fulfill its contractual obligation under the dental policies that it had issued to them. And it made their members, it made Midwestern Dental transfer members and their dental coverage to other dental providers or dental insurers effective June 1st of 2020. So basically they closed their doors. Despite the best efforts of the rehabilitator and the special deputy rehabilitators to rehabilitate the company, Midwestern Dental, the company is no longer conducting business and is believed to be insolvent at this point. Accordingly, and in addition to the reference grounds for rehabilitation that were previously found that warranted rehabilitation back in October, those grounds also warrant liquidation. And there are additional grounds that warrant liquidation under MCL 500-8116 paren 1 and 8117. Because 1, further attempts to rehabilitate the company would be futile and would substantially increase the risk of loss to the company's creditors, policyholders, and the public. 2, the company is believed to be insolvent, as I've said. And 3, the company's condition is such that its further transaction of business would be hazardous financially or otherwise to its policyholders, its creditors, and the public. We've attached our proposed liquidation order as Exhibit A to the liquidation petition. If you read through it, some of the things, basically what we're trying to accomplish now, Your Honor, is to put the company in runoff and have the company's remaining assets fairly allocated to its creditors in accordance with Chapter 81 of the Insurance Code. Mr. Gerber and Mr. Mitchell will continue on as special deputy liquidators, according to the order. There'll be a proof of claim process. under which policyholders and creditors will be given notice of the liquidation order. And if they believe they're owed money by the company, they'll be able to submit a proof of claim explaining, their situation, what happened to them, how they lost coverage, how this closure of the business affected them financially. For these reasons, unless Your Honor has other questions or would like to discuss other facts of the case, we would ask that you enter the liquidation order attached as Exhibit A to the petition that we've submitted to the court.
I have no questions. What was submitted was very thorough, and I find that Midwestern Dental meets the definition of insolvency, and that there are multiple statutory grounds to support this petition for liquidation and order for liquidation. And the order has the appropriate provisions in it. And I will grant the petition and sign the order, which I am doing right now.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Your Honor, could your clerk email that then to me? And I believe my email appears on the petition.
Yeah, we'll file it and get it out to you via email.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you.
All right, great. Thank you. Then I guess
Okay,
that's all.
thank you.